The power of love. Can it really help your health? Love is one of the most powerful forces in the world and can have a significant impact on our physical and emotional well-being. While it may seem like an abstract concept, there is growing evidence that love can have a positive effect on our overall health. In this video, we will explore the power of love and discuss the ways in which it can help improve our health. We will also talk about what Oprah's idea is about love. We will look at the psychological and physiological benefits of loving relationships, and offer advice on how to cultivate healthier connections in our lives. Love has long been considered an important part of human health, both mental and physical. In recent years, there has been a growing body of research that supports this notion. Studies have found that those who have strong relationships with friends and family are better able to cope with stress and illness, and enjoy improved overall well-being. One study conducted at the University of Virginia looked at the impact of social connection on the immune system. It found that people with strong connections to family and friends had higher levels of cytokines, the type of protein released by the immune system during infection, than those with weaker social connections. Other research has suggested that love and support from family members can reduce the risk of certain illnesses and improve mental health. One study from the University of Illinois found that receiving emotional support from loved ones can decrease the risk of depression and help individuals cope with traumatic events more effectively. A study from the University of Chicago also found that loving relationships can help protect against cardiovascular diseases. The research team concluded that feelings of love can lead to decreased blood pressure, improved cholesterol levels, and lower levels of stress hormones in the body. These findings point to the fact that love has a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. From improving our immune systems to protecting us against chronic illnesses, it's clear that the power of love should not be underestimated when it comes to our health. How love can improve your health. The power of love has been touted for centuries, and it's no surprise that recent research is showing the incredible power of love to improve physical health. While it's not possible to definitively attribute one specific outcome to the power of love, studies have shown that the presence of love and social support can positively influence numerous aspects of health. One way in which love can improve your health is through its positive effects on stress reduction. Stress has long been associated with a range of negative physical and mental health outcomes, including depression, anxiety, high blood pressure, and an increased risk of heart attack and stroke. Studies have shown that having strong relationships can reduce these risks by reducing levels of cortisol, a hormone that has been linked to stress. In fact, research has found that social connections are just as important for health outcomes as smoking and obesity. Love has long been known to have powerful effects on our physical, emotional, and mental well-being. For many of us, the power of love can be seen most clearly when it helps us heal from physical or emotional trauma. Here are some inspiring examples of how love has helped people heal. A patient suffering from an aggressive form of cancer was able to make a full recovery after receiving an outpouring of love and support from family and friends. An accident victim was able to regain his mobility after the love and encouragement of his family kept him motivated throughout his recovery process. An individual suffering from chronic depression was able to make a full recovery after experiencing unconditional love and acceptance from those around them. A person struggling with addiction was able to find sobriety and health through the loving support of their loved ones. A woman suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder was able to find healing and peace through the support of her partner. The power of love can be an incredibly powerful healing force in our lives. It's important to recognize the incredible healing potential that comes from being surrounded by love and support. Whether it's a romantic partner, close friends and family, or even just a kind stranger, there is no denying the profound impact that love can have on our physical, mental, and emotional health. As Oprah says, Don't blindly fall in love and wait for your partner to ask you to stay. If they love you enough, there won't be the need to even ask them. If a man wants you, nothing can keep him away. If he doesn't want you, nothing can make him stay, says Oprah. So for your health's sake, fall in love, be in love, stay in love and love always. Love is the most powerful gift for the body and soul. Thank you for watching our video on daily health, and remember that we love you too, so don't forget to subscribe.